Hey, welcome to this video. Dora here, and in this one I want to talk about how to increase your Clickbank sales. But what I want to do is really want to focus on how to increase your profits at the end of the day. Because the easiest, the simplest way to increase your sales is if you increase your traffic, right? You increase the number of visitors who are seeing your Clickbank product that you are selling. But even though that way you are making more money, right? You are also spending or invest more money on traffic generation, so you are not necessarily making more profit. But basically I want to show you how to for the same amount of visitors, right? So basically without increasing your traffic, how to increase your profits at the end of the day. Okay, and before we start, if this is your first time here on this channel, welcome. My name is Dora, and here you can find a lot of different videos that will help you build solid and shakeable affiliate marketing business, and that will help you sell Clickbank products. So consider subscribing for more videos that will help you take your business to the next level. So let's talk about how to increase your sales. And basically when it comes to affiliate marketing, except for increasing your traffic, there are two things that you can do that will help you increase your sales, your profit at the end of the day. So basically, if you think about it, the blueprint, the structure that's proven to work, that's proven to make money when it comes to affiliate marketing, looks something like this. So basically here we have traffic. So ladies arrows actually represent traffic, right? And basically what we want to do is we want to send that traffic to something called conversion machine, okay? You don't want to send the traffic straight to your affiliate link, which is what most affiliates are doing, right? But this model doesn't work. This model won't make you any profit. It might make you few sales, but basically usually what's happening, you spend more money on just buying traffic than you actually end up making by selling this product, right? So basically what we need to do is we need to send the traffic to something called conversion machine, a conversion mechanism, right? And basically it starts with a simple page called landing page. So now this is very simple page, but this is page where we are capturing traffic, right? So basically we are collecting email addresses, and basically those people enter their email address and those people go to your email list, okay? Now I actually talk more about this structure, this blueprint in some of my other videos, right, in more detail. So basically you can go back to my channel, you can find those videos. But this is kind of a brief overview of how this structure looks like, right, this blueprint. So basically at the same time, when those people will give you their email address, those people are redirected to the next page. Okay, so what you can do, this page can actually be your affiliate stuff, but to actually increase conversions, increase the number of people who are actually purchasing your product right on the front end, you can actually send people to something called thank you page or preference page. Now this page is actually what you can do is you can actually have a simple video here, so it doesn't have to be a long video, right? But basically you introducing yourself and kind of making that connection between that result your people want and between affiliate product that you're selling, right? Or maybe if you are not comfortable on the camera, you can write few sentences, right, where you are introducing yourself and kind of making that connection. So below this video, but the video is the best because people can see you, right, and people can make that connection with you, right? You can start building that relationship, very important. Now, so below this video, you can actually have your affiliate link. So every time those people click on this link, right, because those people are already pre-framed, those people are redirected to your affiliate stuff. So whatever it is that you're selling, right? You might be selling Clickbank stuff or any other product from any other marketplace. But basically this is where we're making money. Now, because most people won't buy product the first time they see it, right? Basically people need to be exposed to your product multiple times. And basically this is why we need to continue to communicate with people on your list, right? So basically you need to send out different emails. So we need to have all of those emails preloaded in your autoresponder, right? And this is kind of, by the way, these are supposed to be perfect emails, but this is kind of how the structure, how the blueprint looks like. And again, this blueprint is proven to work when it comes to affiliate marketing. Okay, this blueprint this is something that I'm doing in my business. I'm following this blueprint in my business, and this is actually how I'm making money. Now what I want to do, because within this funnel there are two conversion points that you need to master in order for you to actually increase your affiliate sales. Okay, so I want to talk more about those. So the first conversion point is happening here, and this is your opt-in. Okay, so every time those visitors opt into your list and become your leads. So basically to increase, our goal is actually to increase that number of people, right, who are opting into your list. Because if you can increase that number of people, right, who are giving you their email address, basically you will have more leads, you will have more people on your email list and more people to market to different affiliate stuff, right? So that way automatically you will increase your affiliate sales. So this is conversion point number 1. Now conversion point number 2 is happening here. Okay, and this is actually a purchase. Now, so every time those people on your email list, your leads purchase your affiliate stuff, right? This is where a purchase is happening. So our goal is to have as many of those leads, right, converting into customers, into buyers. Now, basically what I want to do is I want to dig really deep into both conversion point number 1 and conversion point number 2, right? Because again, once you master those, basically you know how to increase the number of visitors who are giving you their email address, but also you know how to effectively communicate with those people, how to actually convert your leads into customers. Basically, you'll be increasing your affiliate sales, right? Now, because I don't want to keep this tutorial too long, what I'm going to do is I'll actually break down this tutorial into 2 parts, okay? So part number 1 in this video, I want to focus more on conversion point number 1, which is your opt-in. And then in part number 2, we'll actually talk more about conversion point number 2, okay? So let's actually talk about conversion point number 1. Let's talk about how to actually, because to increase the number of visitors who are giving you their email address, right, who are opting to your list, basically you need to work on your landing page, right? You need to have high converting landing page. And basically you need to have high percentage of those people giving you their email address. So let's actually talk about how to do it. So what I want to talk about is I want to talk about elements of high converting landing page. And now basically I want to give you those elements that I'm personally using on my landing pages that are converting very well over 50%. And like, I'm not an expert, okay, I'm not trying to be an expert, but basically I want to show you what's working for me, what I'm doing, and how you can implement it in your business, okay? So let's talk about all of those elements, all of those different elements that will help you have high conversions on your landing page. So the first element every high converting landing page needs to have is actually a headline. And when it comes to headline, like, the main goal is to actually grab people's attention, okay? So this is the main goal of headline. Like, you want to make sure your headline grabs people's attention, right? And you can do it if your headline actually talks about the result. Okay, so basically if you think about it, all of those visitors who are landing on your landing page, all of those people, they want something, right? They are looking for a specific result. They want to achieve something. They want to solve a particular problem. So basically I want to make sure that your headline actually talk about that result, right? So not necessarily the product, but basically what that product will do for those people, right? Basically that result is beyond the product. And also I want to make sure that the headline is actually a short headline. So like, I wouldn't keep it, I would keep it 20 words maximum. Like, you don't want to keep it too long, because that way, people will stop paying attention, people won't read it, people won't read the entire headline, right? So basically it's important that the headline is actually short. And you might be thinking, okay, but like, I don't know how to actually write good persuasive headlines, right? So what I want to do is I want to share with you very powerful formula that you can use, that will help you create, that will help you craft, that will help you write very persuasive headlines. And this is the formula was introduced from Russell Brunson, who is an expert, right, top entrepreneur. He's actually co-founder of ClickFunnels. So basically here's how the formula goes. And this is the formula. He's using that formula on his landing pages, and basically those landing pages are entry points of the funnels that are making him millions and millions of dollars, right? So basically this formula is proven to work, and formula goes like this. So how to blank without blank. Okay, so this is the formula. So what is that result your people want without what is that obstacle that's preventing people, that people believe is preventing them from achieving that result, right? So for example, so let's just say I'm selling product that teaches people how to make money online. So I can say how to. Now that result is actually making money, right? People want to make money, so this is that result. So how to make money online without, so what is that obstacle that's preventing people from making money online? So maybe people think, okay, if I want to make money online, I need to have something to sell, right? So basically I'll have to create my own stuff, my own product, and I don't know how to do it. It's complicated, right? So I cannot make money online. So what I can say is how to make money online without creating your own product, right? So basically people, for example, can do affiliate marketing, and this is kind of how you can structure headlines, right? Or maybe, for example, how to lose weight without, now people think, okay, if I want to lose weight, I'll have to give up my favorite food, I'll have to kill myself at the gym, right? And all of those different excuses people have. So for example, you can say how to lose weight without killing yourself at the gym, without starving yourself, right? Without giving up your favorite food. Okay, so those are kind of some examples. So what I'm gonna do is I wanna show you how Russell actually uses this headline, this formula, on one of his landing pages. So you can see this is one of his landing pages, right? You can see this formula here in the headline. So how to get all of your sales letters, scripts, and webinar slides written in under 10 minutes without hiring an expensive copywriter. So if you think about it, so here result is getting all of your sales letters, right, scripts, written in under 10 minutes. So written very fast. But people think, okay, if I want to do it, basically I can just hire a copywriter, right? But basically this will cost me a lot of money. So what you can do is you can say how to get that result, right? But without hiring an expensive copywriter. Okay, so this is how the formula works. And this is kind of when it comes to headline. Now the second element every high converting landing page needs to have, okay, is actually your sub headline. So sub headline is actually the text directly underneath your headline. Now the whole goal here is to actually give people more details about okay, it gives people more details about what's on the next page, right? So for example, if you take a look at here, sub-headline here is this works even if you hate writing, right? And never want to know anything about copywriting. So this is the sub-headline, and again, it gives people a little bit more details, right? About what's on the next page, about that result your product promises to deliver, okay? Now basically I want to show you one of my landing pages. This one is actually converting very well. Here you can see my headline, how to build a 6-figure affiliate marketing business selling other people's products, right? So this is my headline. Now basically I'm still using this formula, how to blank without blank on this landing page, but in a little bit different form. So you can see how to. Result here is building a very successful 6-figure a year affiliate marketing business, right? Selling other people's stuff. Now without, and basically you can see it says step by step starting from scratch, right? So this is basically my sub headline. What I like to do is I like to kind of separate this formula, how to blank without blank. I like to keep result in my headline and the obstacle in my sub headline. Okay, again, like this is just something that I like to do. Now a lot of people who want to build successful affiliate marketing business, a lot of people think, okay, but I'm not sure if I can do it. I'm a newbie, I'm a beginner, right? I've never done something like this. No one knows me. I have no leads, I have nothing to sell, I don't have a product, right? So basically what I'm doing here in my sub headline, I'm talking about, I'm going to show you how to do it. Basically how to build successful affiliate marketing business step by step starting from scratch, right? So basically this word right here, scratch. So even if people are beginners, people don't know what to do, right? Basically I'm going to show them how to do it. Okay, so this is kind of when it comes to my landing page and when it comes to sub headline. Now the third element, very important on your landing page that every high converting landing page needs to have is actually your call to action. And this one is actually the most important part on your landing page, because this is where people are giving you their email address, right? People are submitting their email address, their information, and people are added to your email list, right? This is how you are capturing traffic. Now when it comes to call to action, you want to make sure your call to action is actually clear. Okay, you want to make it big. You want to make sure that it stands out, right? And basically, and you can do it, like you want to make sure that it's eye-catching, right, that it stands out, and you can do it by having contrasting colors. So for example, if you take a look at this landing page, you can see the background is kind of dark, right, and this button is red. Okay, so basically it stands out, it grabs people's attention, right? And you can see it's very clear, right? People know exactly what to do. It says register your seat now, right? So basically it tells people exactly what they need to do, exactly what type of action they need to take, right? Now also if you take a look at this, okay, this call to action, it's yellow, right? And basically it stands out, it grabs people's attention. So if I click on it, here is the field where people are entering their email address, and also you can see yes, let me know, right? So basically it tells people exactly what they need to do. And basically on this is kind of when it comes to call to action. So again, like you want to make sure that it's clear. Okay, it's big, you can see it's pretty big, right? Basically it stands out, it grabs people's attention, right? So this is the third element every high converting landing page needs to have. Now the fourth one is actually, and this one is actually very important, and this is your background. And it's actually a proven fact, that scientifically proven, that our brains process images faster than text. So basically, the first thing your people will see when they land on your landing page is your background, different images, different pictures that you have on your landing page. Okay, so it's very important that your background is actually high quality image. And also what I wanna do, what I usually do, is I wanna make sure that my background is actually gives people that visual representation of the result they want to get to, okay? And I'm going to show you, explain to you in more details what I mean by this in just a second. But basically background represents the result, okay? So for example, I'm actually showing what I mean by this. So here you can see my background. You can see beautiful view, right? You can see a pool. Now if you think about it, people who want to start successful affiliate marketing business and online business, like those people want to make more money, right? But if you really think about it, the reason why those people want to make more money is because people want to have more choices in life, right? More freedom. Maybe they want to spend more time with their families. They want to travel around the world, right? They want to have a better lifestyle, right? Luxury stuff in life and all that stuff. So if you take a look at this image, like I want to make sure that my image actually represents all of those results, right? Now, if you take a look at this image, you can see a pool again, right? The beautiful view, and kind of like it represents that freedom or choices in life, right? A luxury lifestyle, all the good stuff. Okay, so this is what I mean by having that, having a background image that actually represents that result people want to get, right? So for example, if you're selling product that actually teaches people how to lose weight, you know, you can have a person who is fit as your background image, right? So basically something that will actually represent that result people want to achieve, okay? So hopefully this is making sense. So those are 4 elements that you can use on your landing page that will help you convert more visitors into leads, right? So have more people on your email list, more people to market to them different Clickbank products, and at the end of the day, you'll be making more affiliate sales. Now this is kind of when it comes to conversion point number 1. Now, but you know, our goal at the end of the day is to maximize the number of people who are actually purchasing your Clickbank products, right? Now to do it, we also need to have the right conversion strategy in place, the right email follow-up sequence strategy in place that will actually help you convert your leads, people on your email list, into customers, right? And this is actually where conversion point number 2, which is actually purchase, comes into the picture, right? So, and this is actually something we'll be talking more about in part number 2 of this tutorial. So part number 2 is going to be all about conversion point number 2, which is purchase. So this is something that's coming up. Definitely stay tuned for that video. I promise it's going to be awesome stuff. And also, if you want to learn affiliate marketing in more detail, if you literally need someone to take you by the hand and show you step by step how it's done, step by step how to actually build successful affiliate marketing business, what you can do is you can click on the first link in the description and you can access step by step training. They will literally take you by the hand and show you step by step how to build successful affiliate marketing business, selling different Clickbank stuff, different affiliate products, right? Whatever it is that you are selling. So if you need this, you know, this type of education, if you literally need someone to take you by the hand, definitely feel free to check it out. And you know, this is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it and I'm really looking forward to see you in the part number 2.